Now, for the spine, you need to reinforce the spine. No matter what you do, you got to reinforce the spine. And this is the spine of the book. Okay, Lisa uses copy paper. I've never used copy paper. You can use this kind of the cardboard. That would reinforce it. But what I did for my first one, and let me go get it. Okay, this is my very first junk journal ever, and it is an altered book. This was the natural color of the book, thank goodness, because I made it for Halloween. But what I did to make the spine is I used medical tape. And then it's hidden here because it's a hidden spine. So you're not going to see my spine at all. But it's reinforced with medical tape. And then I sewed it on. So this is my first junk journal. Like I said, I love it. I still haven't wrote in it because it's so beautiful. I don't know. I will one day. But this is my first junk journal. So this, I'm going to use the medical tape for that. I just got to find it. I don't know. It's been 2 years since I made that first journal. Is this it? Oh, there it is. And I'm pretty sure this came from the Dollar Tree, but this is some really strong, I put on some bandages. It's some strong tape. It ain't playing. So I'm going to put this on to reinforce my spine. Ooh. This tape is not playing. I feel weak. Ooh. That ain't pretty. Lordy, lordy, lordy. I'm a little shorter. That way, it's going to reinforce that. You see that tape? It ain't going nowhere. It's 8 inches long. I need to just cut it 8 inches. Lord. I don't have no finger muscles, that's for sure. And that's going to be reinforced good. Okay. In this junk journal, my spine is hidden. It's a hidden spine. Got extras in here. Oops. Hold on now. But my signatures I have 3 signatures. They're sewn in. Am I missing it? Come on, Kelsey. I left the thread on the inside. So I don't know if I'm going to leave the thread on the inside or hide it behind in the back when I do that. You see, the only place you can see it's like right here in between each signature. Oh, I was like, what is holding that together? My little paper clip. So see how it's a hidden spine? I don't have it through the outside of the book. Love altered books. They could stand so much. So I haven't this is, like I said, this is my first time trying a junk journal kit. So I don't know how it's going to go, but we're going to see. Like I said, I bought it on Amazon. You can buy it on her shop. She has the gingerbreadprints.com, or you could do gingerbread prints on Amazon, and it ships worldwide, so you could get it in any country. So it's Lisa over at Gingerbread. So let me see what we're going to do for pages. Okay. Also, Friday, while I was busy in the house, I did some, I found me some old food coloring, and I food colored me some pages. There, coffee on that one. So I didn't have any avocados or anything like that, so trying to color match. These are coffee dyed, not tea dyed, but so it's, oh, smell of coffee. So these are just, these are all coffee dyed. So these are going to be some of my signature pages. I'm going to mix them in with the kit. And some old ledgers or whatever else I could find. So you even get the pages. I had coffee on me. I didn't get all the coffee off my paper. Oh, y'all. Oops. And these are the pages, and everything is two-sided. But these are also full pages that you can use for the signatures. So that's what I'm going to do. What was that? I don't know. So. As long as it's still 8 by 5, I'm okay. I did quite a few. Well, a new blade will cut it. Okay, let's see what I got here. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 of these. And like I said, there's going to be 3 signatures. I'm going to change it up some. So this is part of my signatures. Don't rewind. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, it's okay. Come on, Lily. I don't know what's wrong with my baby girl. I do know she makes it hard on me too. Okay. Before I cut off this thing.